I work safely because I have two small children that I have to protect.
I work safely for my people around me and my family.
I work safely because my daughter is counting on me to come home the same way I left.
I work safely because I want to go home to my family.
I work safely because it's not just about me. Safety is everyone's responsibility.